Lesson number 56. Algebra, volume 2. Vieta formula. Theorem or fx equal a n multiply xn add a n minus 1 multiply x power n minus 1 a n minus 2 multiply xn minus 2 add a 2 x power 2 add a 1 x at a 0 x power 0 equal 1. If x1 x2 xn are the root of fx equal 0, then x1 at x2 at xn equal minus a index n minus 1 divided a index n, x1 x2 at x1 x3 at xn minus 1 xn equal a n minus 2 divided xn, point x1 x2 xn equal minus 1 power n a 0 divided a n. Intersect the graph polynomial function fx axis x, y equal 0 is the equation of the axis x, fx equal 0, fx equal a n xn at a n minus 1 xn minus 1 at a 1x at a 0, y equal 0, a n xn at a n minus 1 multiply x n minus 1 at point a 1x at a 0 equal 0, hence the root x1 x2 xn function fx. Case 1. Intersect chart degree polynomial function with x, y equal 0 is the equation x, fx equal ax at b, fx equal yx equal ax at b, y equal 0, ax at b is 0, x equal minus b divided a root. Case 2. Degree polynomial function intersect two axes ox, y equal 0 is the equation axis ox. Fx equal ax power 2 at bx at c polynomial function degree fx equal ax power 2 at bx at c, y equal 0 if the equation of the axis x, ax power 2 at bx at c equal 0, ax power 2 at bx at c equal a multiply x minus x1 x minus x2 Viet, where x1 x2 are the root of ax power 2 at bx at c equal 0, x1 2 equal minus b plus minus radical b power 2 minus 4 multiply a multiply c divided to a x power 2 at bx at c equal a x power 2 minus x2 minus x1 at x1 x2 a x power 2 at bx at c equal ax power 2 minus ax factor common x1 and x2 at a x1 x2. Method identification. B equal minus a x1 x2, c equal a x1 x2, x1 x2 equal minus b divided a, x1 x2 equal c divided a. S sum of the root of the equation, p product of the root of the equation, x1 and x2 equal sum, x1 x2 equal product, s equal minus b divided a, product equal c divided a. Case 3. Intersect the graph third degree polynomial function with x, y equal 0 is the equation of the axis x, fx equal ax power 3 at bx power 2 at cx at d, fx intersect x, y equal 0, ax power 3 at bx power 2 at cx at t equal 0, ax power 3 at bx power 2 at cx at d equal a multiply x minus x1 multiply x minus x2 multiply x minus x3, ax power 3 at bx power 2 at cx at d equal a x power 2 minus 6 x1 at x2 at x1 x2 multiply x minus x3 equal ax power 3 at bx power 2 at cx at d equal ax power 3 minus ax power 2 x1 x2 at x2 at x3 add x multiply x1 x2 x2 x3 x1 x3 minus x1 x2 x3 by identify the function of the third result, b equal minus x1 x2 x3, c equal multiply x1, x2 at x2, x3 at x1, x2. T egal minus a, x1, x2, x3. x1, x2, x3 equal minus b divided a, x1, x2 at x2, x3 at x1, x3 at c divided a, x1, x2, x3 product equal minus d divided a. By mathematical induction can be reached from the equation of degree. Reached.